Alright, so back at it in another video, somewhere along the timeline, because I did several things today. But for this video we have new LED headlights for the Mustang. I already have some LEDs in there, but we have some from LasFit. And I ordered these, so I'm just hoping there'll be a better output than what's in there. I'll overlay some footage of the LEDs are already in there, and they're not awful, but the like the light output from the video doesn't look bad, but when you're driving down the road, or it's like raining out and you're driving down the road, the output isn't all that great. So I ordered these, and hopefully these will just be a lot better and a lot safer. So construction already does look a lot better. I will pull the old ones out and compare them to these, but these look just a lot better quality. So I'll get to doing that. So these are the old LEDs, and they work decent, but like I said, just replace them because I just feel like it's more of a safety issue. And going down the road, I just don't, in my opinion, I don't feel like the output's as good as it probably should be. So these just look a lot better. Actually, the quality feels a lot better. So hopefully the light output is better. So I'm going to get these thrown in, and I'm actually going to read the instructions first because these are supposed to go in a specific way. So I'll do those, get these thrown in, and wait till night time to get some better footage. Alright, so these are the regular LED bulbs that I have. This is before. See, they're still fairly bright. Hopefully these new ones are a lot better quality as far as standard output. Alright, so it's the same spot before. This is the after with the LasFit LEDs. Overall, I will say, I feel like the output is a little bit better. I already drove with them around, and so far I do feel like the output is better compared to the other LEDs I did have. So, pretty happy with it so far. I'll probably do an update within maybe a couple weeks or so, and just do a overall update. But my initial first impressions, I really enjoy it. So, a lot happier. my initial first impressions, I'm a lot happier with these compared to the old LEDs I had. Like I said, just light output seems better, and yeah, that's really all I have to say so far because it's just my initial impressions. But hopefully we will get some rain here soon, and I can do kind of just a comparative answer compared to my old ones. But I will say I just feel like overall out of the box these are a lot better quality. I'm just happy with the output so far. I feel like I can actually see better at night now. The old ones were decent, but like I said, I just feel like these are a lot better. So yeah. Also, with the new LEDs, I do eventually need to do the LED fogs. So those are still the same halogen bulbs, and then reorder the diode dynamic lights. So, but yeah, overall I'm happy with the new LEDs so far.